Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, to disable location, you need to select close. So when I do that, as you can see, location is now off. If you want to switch it back on, click on the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll all the way down and click on Location section. Then tap on this switcher at the top to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!